Sketch Engine helps you understand how words and phrases are used by real users of the language. All information is generated automatically from a very big sample of language called a corpus. Before you can do anything in Sketch Engine, a language or a corpus has to be selected. To select a language, click it. Sketch Engine will pick the best corpus for you. More languages can be selected by typing the English name of the language in the search box here. To select a specific corpus, use the Advanced tab or the corpus selector at the top. The information you need will be generated automatically from the selected corpus. To see the collocations, which means typical combinations of the word, use Word Sketch and type the lemma, which means the dictionary form of the word. To see the synonyms of the word, use thesaurus and type the lemma. To see examples in context, go to Concordance and type a word or phrase. The dashboard shows which tools are available with the selected corpus. And this is how to select a different language or corpus. To learn more, look at the Quick Start Guide or watch our video lessons. To request personalized assistance, email support@sketchengine.eu.